Good job, Maddie. Rivet. Come on, man. Good job.
Rivet.
Rivet.
That's a rivet, Dawson.
Come on, Maddie, jump. Good job. There's a couple more cones.
Faster. Faster, guys.
Good job. Good job, man. Uh-oh. Come on, man. Rivet. Okay, now where do you go, Maddie? Maddie, you gotta come on over here, remember?
Good job, Maggie!
Hey, you don't need your ball.
Do it again.
One more time. One more time.
Rivet. Good job, Maddie. Rivet. Ah! Rivet. Great work, man. Rivet. Keep going, Maddie. You skipped the cone. Oh, no. You gonna go and get it? There it goes. Perfect.